People power.
Our power.
Our power.
People power.
NUP.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
NUP.
Comrades, you're most welcome to today's vetting session. I see you have a lot of vibe, and we expect that vibe also in the vetting rooms. Let it not just end here. You're showing us that you're very vibrant people. Oh. I have seen that you people are very vibrant this morning, and we want the same spirit to be carried to the vetting rooms. Do not fear anything. We are here to serve you. Nobody has the card yet, so do not be intimidated. Some of you come here very demoralized, thinking that there are those people who have already been chosen. The process is just is just starting today. So if we had chosen people, then why should we invite you? We would have stopped at that. So don't be intimidated. That is politics for you. And if you're very weak, you will step out knowing that somebody has already been favored. We have had those complaints from candidates, but it is just politics, propaganda. Whoever wins, you push the other one out. So I was just saying, use the same vibe that you have shown us here, also in the vetting rooms. Be very free. Do not be intimidated by the commissioners or maybe by the look. Some of us are not so that nice looking, so don't be intimidated by our faces. Just feel free. We are here to serve you, and at the end of the day, the best candidate will win. I trust this team. The team you're seeing before us is a very trusted team. And you can see out of the very many Ugandans, this very small number of people were chosen to do this process, meaning we trust them so much. And whatever the outcome will be, let it not divide us as NUP. This is just the beginning. We have a bigger goal ahead of us. Thank you so much, and do not be extorted of your money. I know there are very many people who will come around. So there are people who will come around telling you, maybe I know the chair, I know the commission of this region. So do not fall prey for those people. Do not give out your money, because at the end of the day, you're going to spoil the name of EMC, that it is Madam Chair who sent ABCD. Now we are telling you, we have communicated very well that do not do it. And if you do it, it is your problem. Thank you so much, and feel free to ask anything. This is home. You're most welcome. Thank you so much.
Once again, we remind people that we are readmitted to the party, and they have a readmission card. It has a word written on readmitted, meaning you had contested against a candidate in 2021 or any other process, and you are given a new card that has that word. Please attach that card, not the one you have really bought along the way. Then another issue, move with you the application that was returned to you on the date of submission, so that we process you effectively. The last point was about the people that are working for government and other institutions that mandates you to resign. You wrote your resignation and you have not been responded to by your employee. Please communicate so that we get to know the status in which you are, rather than processing damaged candidates who will not eventually nominate in the general elections. We wish you the best. May the best candidate win.